Hi guys, it's Doris from LookMazing, and I'll be showing you guys how to use a cleansing brush to deep clean your pores. And I'll be using the I'm brush by Mimi Box, which features two different types of bristles, both silicone and the hair bristles. So I'm going to start off by first removing my eye makeup and lip makeup. And now moving on to the face, I'm going to first wet the brush with some warm water and then apply some cleanser directly onto the brush. And this next step is optional, but I like to wet my face first because I feel like this allows the brush to glide more smoothly. And I'm going to start working the brush in small circular motions on my face, and the bristles on this brush are really soft and gentle, so it doesn't irritate my skin at all. And I'm going to be working it just on one side of my face first and slowly moving it over my eye area, giving my brows a good brush too. And as you can see, my brow mascara that I used is coming off really nice and easily. And I'm going to repeat the same step for the other side of my face as well. And now flipping the brush over, I'll be applying cleanser on the silicone side. And I'll be working this also in small circular motions on my T-zone area. And that includes my forehead down to the bridge of my nose and around the nose area. And I feel like the silicone bristles allow me to apply a little bit more pressure, especially around my chin area, to really get at the pores or any whiteheads or blackheads that may be there. Now I'm ready to rinse off my face with some lukewarm water, and I also like to end it with a splash of cold water to really seal in and tighten those pores. And then I'm going to take a washcloth and lightly pat my face dry. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. So I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!